Okay, guys, I've got a descending Midas curve here and an ascending curve here. We've got some strong downward movement. I'm looking for continuation down um, or up if we get, if we start showing some strength and we get up above, well, this area right here. I don't have this quite calibrated, so it should be a little bit lower. I'm anticipating going short. Again, we're looking for the lower channel line to break. Went ahead and got short. A little bit further down than I would have liked, but the market's really starting to move, so I didn't want to miss it. Just adjusting. Short 3, I want to take a small profit on the first. Taking profits a little bit early, simply because I entered a little further down than I would have liked. All the same, I think I probably should have given this a little bit more room to wiggle here. Can't complain though. I went ahead and let a few green bars do their thing. Tolerated a little pullback, and you can see the lower blue channel line held that provided resistance there. Sold off and had a nice exit right at the low. And then we move forward a little bit in time here. Again, the bias is on the downside. There's a lot of downward pressure this morning, so you can see where the upper Midas line held resistance. I went ahead and got in, and I let this thing go sideways for a little while in anticipation of a break lower, which it's obviously doing now. Trying to stay with this while the bars are staying red. There's a tiny pivot there, so I'm just adjusting my stop to above a tie. A lot of profit in here, so I'm wanting to keep my profit, so I'm keeping my stop adjustments pretty tight. And exit. Hey guys, I just exited. I exited that previous short right here. I let this thing bounce. I sold it right here and exited here. I can just show you that real quick. Yep, got short here, had a little 3-tick scalp, and then just exited into this low right there. Took the gain for the morning up to 1,040 on three contracts. I thought I'd just show you 60-minute 60-minute chart here. You can see that there was a trend line right in here that was broken around 99.04, which again, just show you on the 144. So 99.04 is right in here actually. Um, so I could have, let's see, actually yeah, I'm short in there, so I took profits as it tested. Actually broke slightly below, but then I held one for that nice move down there.
Order canceled.
Um, had I been aware of that right when it was happening, however, let's see, 98.66. Actually, I exited 10 cents higher than a natural target would have been. Yeah, based on this lower channel line, right in this area would have been a great target. So I took profits a little bit higher. Um, Actually, it was based on this horizontal line here, which was also a good barrier. So that was a good initial target. Um, but you can see also where this thing, it tested this upper channel line here from the previous day's upper boundary, and then it tested it one more time before it rolled over this morning. I kind of wish I'd been up a little bit earlier, but can't complain too much about how the day has gone. Let's drop into 5 minute. See on the 5 minute, we launched the Midas from the high here, and I haven't calibrated the upper band, but you can look at it from right around this amount of distance above. So it was actually capping this really nicely right in here. And the other thing to pay attention to here, I know it's a little bit difficult to see here, but this lower channel line, which touches the low of this first move down, also basically capped this consolidation right in here. So we can look in this area at 99.79, 99.79 right in here was that test. So this would have been a really nice trade too had we been in front of the screen at that point. Okay, that's it for this morning. I am done. Please visit us at currencytraderpro.com. We are providing the free basic indicator for the support and resistance levels shown in the trading from these past videos, and we are in the process of developing some very effective indicators for fast-moving day trading markets, which I think you guys will really like. I will also be providing a basic course on day trading as well as longer-term trading, which I think you will find very interesting. Um, I hope you will go ahead and register below, and we'll be in touch. Thanks again.